Damn it all the fucking hell.
What the f, dude? Hey! Put your window down. When you pulled off back there, you pulled back into me. I had to slam on my brakes. I was honking at you and everything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You almost took me out.
I'm very sorry.
It's fine. I just wanted to, like, you didn't acknowledge it or nothing, so.
I didn't see you.
Huh?
I heard the honking.
Yeah, you guys, I was literally like, both my brakes locked up and I was like this over it. I was just letting you know, like.
One of us was, the guy behind us was swerving and
yeah,
the drums she pulled off.
Yeah, it could have been way worse. Everything worked out. I just wanted to let you know, like, just to keep your eyes out a little bit better. I was. Whew. It's fine. You guys have a good night, though.
Thank God you're okay.
Okay. Be safe out there. You guys have a good night.
Hours a day of limited movement. And guess what that does to a bad knee? It's not good. After a while, George could barely move at the end of his shift, and he wasn't really sure what he was going to do. That's when Relief Factor came into his life. George is still out there working hard every day, but now he does it without pain. Hundreds of thousands of people have tried.
Pushing all these buttons, combinations, copy running through the game now. When I'm in beast mode, it's like a cheat code. Acting like a secret weapon loaded, that's daily. No, blowing up like C4, vomit with my people.
What, exit 35? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, the girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, the girlfriend.
What's this guy doing?
For real.
West Coast days go by so fast.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your left.
There are 40 passengers and crew on board, ranging in age from 20 to 79. 4 members of the terrorist cell are seated in At least a quarter of the passengers